Hello to all the learners out there. Today we will learn about the technologies incorporated for you by our website. As every journey starts with the first step. So, to reform the older models of learning into employable, affordable, and smart education, we have tried our level best to include as many technologies as we can. As we know, no one likes a boring lecture. So, we accepted this challenge and introduced a technology named gamification. Gamification has been proved a sneaky way to get people to do something which they really do not want to do. To incorporate gamification, we have chosen two modes. First is gamifying our course overall, and secondly, by introducing some course related games which can enhance your skills, thus introducing competency based learning. To gamify the course overall, what we have done is we have replaced the number of units with the number of levels, and with each level the difficulty is also increased. Students, don't worry, this is done to keep the learning little bit challenging and interesting. Now we have introduced the concept of infinite play, where you have been given a provision to attempt the topic test as many times as you want. This will increase your retaining power and understanding about the topic. Other gamification related concepts have also been introduced, like a countdown of 2 minutes have been provided for attempting a one quiz question after a unit test. It will keep the learning little bit adventurous, isn't it? Yes, it is. Now, apart from the obtained marks, we have also introduced the concept of experience points, that is XPs. Now, for your each level of participation, you will be awarded with points like 500 XPs can be awarded for doing an assignment, up to 300 XPs can be given for any participation, and up to 1000 XPs can be given for attempting a quiz. Now, for example, for going to the next level, you have to gain at least 11,000 points, that is your minimum points. And to get the top scores, you have to gain at least 20,000 points. This is not the end. If you got more than 20,000 points, your extra points will be credited to your account in the next level as a bonus points. Now, what you are thinking? With these extra bonus points, you are having a better starting point over the other students. This competition plus reward will give you motivation, as now you have to gain points from zero, which is a motivating concept, rather than lose points from 100, which is a demotivating concept. Now, the more you will participate, the more the score you will gain. So, almost it is a definition of motivation, isn't it? Yes, it is. But at the end, all these points will be converted back to the graced marks, as we have to comply with the rules of university, which depends upon marks, not on the points. We have introduced the concept of avatar board for showing the progress of each individual course in the form of progress bar. It will increase positive competition among you to increase your progress level. Apart from these, Other gamification related concepts have been introduced like badges, epic meaning, discovery mode, so it will feel you like you are playing a game. This was all about how we have gamified the course overall. As far as the specific course related games are concerned, we have introduced some games which can enhance your skills in the respective courses. For Integrated Course IT, we have introduced a game named Ribbon Hero 2. It is a Microsoft game which help you to learn all the Office features easily like Word, Excel, PowerPoint by just playing a game. Let's play this game without wasting any time. This is the Microsoft Ribbon Hero 2 game. In this, you have been provided with 3 instructions, and with each instruction, you have been given 3 hints. If you stuck off at any point, you can use that hint. But don't worry, if you will not use any hint, extra points will be awarded to you at the end of the game as a bonus point. In this, the plugin is automatically installed in all the Office features like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and it will help us to track your progress. As you will operate the Office features, the plugin will add up your points to track you if you are able to apply the concepts taught in the game. So, this game is enhancing your skills about how to use MS Office. So, thus introducing the concept of competency-based learning by enhancing your skills. This gamification will help to bring positive competition, adventure, fun, learning in a very smooth way. This was all about the technology gamification. Coming towards the next technology named cloud computing. Cloud computing is one of the latest technology prevailing nowadays. Using cloud computing, we can shift the known core services to the cloud and can focus on providing you with the services which can enhance your skills. For this, we have chosen different services of cloud computing. You must have heard about SaaS, Software as a Service. This service will help you to provide apps anywhere, anytime. Not only the data is stored in the cloud, but the application is too. And you only need a web browser to operate that service. Using the service of SaaS, we have introduced cloud computing. And for this, we have introduced the feature Online Word. Now, there is no need to install the heavy files of MS Office or any OpenOffice in your PC. You just use our service of Online Word to make the assignments, your notes, or any other file and directly save your files in the drive. Cloud computing came up as a boon for virtual libraries. Using our virtual libraries, you can access your course books or any other reference books easily. Now, you don't need to buy these costly books. Using our technology of cloud computing, we are able to provide you virtual learning environments, also known as VLEs. Coming towards next technology, online social networking. Online social networking provides you formal learning environments where you can be a part of knowledge construction rather than mere knowledge consumers. What you can do is you can share your knowledge, construct your knowledge easily using the online social networking sites. For this, we have introduced the concept of blogs, rather called as multi-author blogs, where depending upon your interest, you can first join the blog category. After joining the blog category, you can make your own blog as well as can comment on the blogs of other students. The post can also be in the form of videos, thus introducing vlogs, also called as video logs along with the blogs. To make the online social networking even more interesting, we have introduced discussion forums where you can initiate the new discussion as well as can continue with the previous discussion. Thus, using this social-based approach to education and virtual learning environments, we have made the online social networking even more stronger. Coming towards the next technology named network-based grading. In network-based grading, students are not assessed on the individual pieces of work. Rather, the importance lies in how you can share and create the content. For this, we have introduced peer reviews on assignment, where after submitting your own unique answer, you can see the answers of other students as well as can comment on the answers of other students. This is not the end. You will be graded depending upon your own unique answer that you submitted as well as the comments you got from other students. Now coming towards learning analytics, which help us to do social network analysis. This will help us to analyze student-to-student relationship and student-to-teacher relationship to find any disconnected areas, gaps in the study, as well as recommendations for you. For this, attention metadata is generated and analyzed. It will help us to check your progress and give recommendations for you, as well as we can find any undesirable behavior if found. This was all about learning analytics, which can help us to analyze the performance more optimally. Coming towards next technology named digital footprints. Digital footprints will help us to record your data in the digital form, reflecting your interests and behaviors using the portfolios. Now, biometric technology will be used to match your identity in the final test by matching your photo. Next technology is information visualization. Information visualization will help us to analyze the data in the graphical form, where snapshots will be taken of the discussion forums where you have participated actively. Now, using those snapshots, we will perform discourse analysis and it will help us to analyze the real data, that is live data. Dear students, at the end, we have incorporated a technology named M-Learning, which is providing us mobility learning, that is from large desktops and laptops to even small handheld devices like tablets and mobiles. Our website is supported by all of these. So, this was all about the technologies incorporated by our website. Hope so, the effort made by technocrats for providing you smart education using these technologies will prove fruitful. Thank you.